profit with crypto and blockchain faster. If passive income is what you're after. It's generational wealth here to capture. Welcome to the show of the Blockchain Chapter. It's the Blockchain Trapper. Yo, what's good? It's the Blockchain Trapper, bringing you the latest news and analysis on the crypto market. Now let's go. Let's dig off into this scoop for y'all today. Eminem purchases Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT for $462,000. Woo! That's almost $500,000. The celebrated entertainer quickly made the dazed-looking ape, who is outfitted in military-style cap and hip-hop clothing, his Twitter profile picture. All right. Stand up, Detroiters. Award-winning rapper Eminem has joined the Bored Ape Yacht Club, purchasing one of the non-fungible NFTs Thursday on OpenSea platform for 123.45 Ether, 12345, nearly $500,000. Eminem quickly made the ape, who wears a brown military-style hat, hip-hop clothing, and dazed expression, his Twitter profile picture. The Detroit native has acquired about 20 NFTs on the OpenSea under the name Shady Holdings. Eminem, whom Rolling Stone magazine named one of the 100 greatest artists of all time, won the 2002 Oscar for Best Original Song and has garnered 15 Grammy Music Award, career dating to the 1980s. In a tweet, BAYC member G. Gaza, who sold the ape, thanks to entertainer for purchasing the NFT. I'm living in a simulation, he wrote, adding madness. Let me write a lyric in your next single. G. Gaza had been hoping for months that the entertainer would buy the ape. I'm living in a simulation. Thank you at Eminem for buying my ape and joining the club. Madness, let me write a lyric in your next single. This guy's silly. Marshall Mathers. All right. That's what's up. These artists need to get into more art. This NFTs is taking over. Crypto is taking over, y'all. It's taking over the art world. It's taking over everything. It's going to touch all points of our lives. All aspects of our lives will be affected and touched by this crypto market. Moving on. Billionaire Chamath Palihapitiya says Visa and MasterCard will be the biggest business failure in 2022, losing out to altcoin-linked projects. My biggest loser for 2022 is Visa and Master. Traditional payment system rails and the entire ecosystem around it. He said it in an episode on the podcast released Wednesday. To him, the long-standing payment system used all over the world are completely contrived duopolies that doesn't need to exist. Former Facebook executive who runs the venture capital fund Social Capital shared what he thinks will be the most profitable spread trade in his lifetime in the coming year. If you read the white papers of these crypto projects, you systematically put together a framework. I think you can long those and be short Visa, MasterCard, because I think this is their peak market cap, he added. A spread trade is a market order in which a trade simultaneously carries out the purchase of one security and sale of a related security and a sale of a related security in a single unit. Investors execute this trade and attempt to profit from the spread or difference between the buying and selling prices. Also, based on his opinion, Amazon's decision to ban the usage of credit cards in the UK because of the high transaction fees last month. The canary in the coal mine here is pretty significant. He said, the Canary Network, Songbird. Amazon is not going to do something like that, my opinion, unless it's tests of what they can do all around the world. There are really no need today for all these small businesses to sit on top of Visa and MasterCard and Amex rails is unnecessary. He also predicted the first movers of adoption in this emerging technology will be the developing world. This is why I think focusing this market like Nigeria, to me, are way more exciting than talking about these fading Western Europe, these Western European countries. This is where the stuff will happen, he said. We look back 10 years, traditional payment processor market caps will be materially low. Visa and MasterCard have been underperformed in 2021 with their stock prices roughly flat year to date compared with roughly 27% gain in the S&P 500. Now I know this man is a billionaire. Definitely got way more money than a lot of us. But I don't think he knows what he's talking about. I agree with him. These are definitely contrived duopolies that doesn't need to really exist. But hey, enter the Pheonix, y'all. Enter the Pheonix. Now, once again, he says they're going to be losing out to altcoin linked projects. Now, either this man got too much money, too many billions that he can't even keep up with, that he can't even keep up with what's all going on with this technology. Now, I once heard him on an interview, somebody asked him how much is he worth. He said he lost count at like 10 billion. So I know he don't got really much time to be checking off into all the fundamentals of all these arts, especially the ones that's creating the new payment rails of the future. Okay, into the Pheonix. These is the banks, man, the banking cartels, Master and Visa. These are a part of the banking cartels that run our governments, that runs our world today. Okay, they not just giving up the reins like that. Visa and MasterCard, Vice, the Master and the Vice is not giving up the reins that easy. I'm sorry. Maybe they don't need to exist. I agree with him like that. And maybe things are popping off over in Nigeria countries, over in the eastern side of the world and stuff. China and Africa and stuff like that. But this is Visa and MasterCard we talking about here, okay? Okay. Let me cut into y'all with this one right quick. To back up what I'm saying is what is he talking about? Huh? What's this right here? XRP, black cards, Master cards. Look at this, Master debit cards. Look at that. This is an altcoin right here. Shout out to the XRP army. Hey, you know what I'm saying? First ones did it out here. You know what I'm saying? The Visa MasterCard out here. You know what I'm saying? We got the XRP debit MasterCard partner with Global ID and Uphold. Come on now, what is your mouth talking about, y'all? Hold on. Matter of fact, let's hit him with this one then too. Let's hit him with this one too. We got another for you then, huh? What's that say? MetaVisa optimizes the on-chain credit system and integrates decentralized identity in the DAO and GameFi. Look at this. They integrate decentralized identity in the decentralized autonomous organizations and GameFi. So look, they trying to have a credit system for you right there on the chain. Visa, MetaVisa. Look, Visa, they trying to put Visa in the metaverse now. They trying to make a metaverse version of it. A layer 3 middleware protocol helps users to establish and display reliable on-chain identity and credit records by analyzing on-chain data and makes it easier for DeFi, NFT, GameFi, DAO, and more. DAO is the Decentralized Autonomous Organization for people that don't know. The company is dedicated to helping other metaverse projects integrate the identity system into those applications such as Yield Guild Games. Look at this. Yield Guild Games is a decentralized autonomous organization for investing in non-fungible tokens that is used for virtual worlds and blockchain-based games. It's play-to-earn gaming guild, bringing players together to earn via blockchain-based economics. Look at that. It's a play-to-earn gaming guild, bringing players together to earn via blockchain-based economics. See what I'm saying? What is he talking about? Visa trying to move it to the metaverse right here. See what I'm saying? What I'm trying to tell you is, it's just like what I'm trying to tell you what's going on with the SEC right now, okay? All of this is a charade. It's all been planned out, okay? Into the Pheonix. Last uh end of over a year ago, Jay Clayton, the former chair of the SEC, Security and Exchange Commission, filed a lawsuit against Ripple. Okay, it's all a charade. Okay, these people are part of the banking cartels. Okay, that's why they're trying to hold Ripple back. They're just trying to get their hands in there and keep it moving, trying to get things, keep ahead of the game. That's what this is all about. They're trying to make sure they gave Ethereum the first mover advantage. They gave them a free pass without no clarity, without no regulations. This shows you right there, this is a banking cartel. They're trying to make sure that they are in control of all accreditation. They are in control of all IOUs, all debt, okay, into the Pheonix. All right? That's what this is all about. This is why people are stepping down from the SEC now when there's a lawsuit against them, clearly showing that there's been harm done to XRP investors all over the world. And these people have been compliant. This business have been compliant for the past 9 years. Okay? Past 9 years. All right? Let me hit you with another one. What's this? Stellar to power Visa's new partnership. XLM begins breakout. Okay? Stellar follows a general market sentiment with green indicators across the board. XLM's price to be positive, reacted to the increase in USDC liquidity on top of the blockchain. Additionally, the Stellar Development Foundation, SDF, made a potentially groundbreaking announcement alongside Visa, Tyler, and Circle, one of the companies behind USDC. The corporation aims to provide access to digital assets in emerging markets. Initially, Tyler will enable unbanked users to access this stablecoin in a digital wallet. Thus, they will be able to make cross-border transactions and access fiat to crypto services. In addition, Visa will issue cards with funds linked to the wallet. In doing so, these users will have the capacity to spend their crypto balance in over 70 million merchants around the world. See what I'm saying? They have a duopoly. That's why I agree with what Shema said, but I totally disagree when he says they don't need to exist. Yeah, true, they do have a duopoly. But they making the deals behind the scenes. He ain't doing the fundamentals. He got too much money to really care or to really have to want to look. They are reaching the unbanked now. Visa is tapping into the unbanked. With Stellar and XRP, we are reaching the unbanked. Okay, people are becoming their own banks, and it is reaching the unbanked. Okay, so definitely Visa and Master is not getting left behind. They are all in the middle, all in the Kool-Aid. Trying to tell y'all what the flavor is, okay? Into the Pheonix. Trying to tell y'all. Get ready for world currency. All right. What we got right here? The Rothschilds, Economist magazine, predicted a new world currency on January 9th, 1988. Isn't cryptocurrency a globalist 30-year idea for global currency? See what I'm saying? What is that? What is that? The standard. The gold. See the gold? Standard. See the standard? The dollar? The dollar? The old standard? So they're burning. What's raising up off of it? The Pheonix. What's this say? In gold, 10 Pheonix. What's this look like? This symbol. That looks like the Stellar blockchain symbol. This 10. What company has just been sued? And is the biggest payment infrastructure for this distributed ledger technology in the world right now. That's solving cross-border payment systems between countries and banks. They've been around 10 years. 2022 will make the 10th year. Last year was the 9th year that they have been compliant, and now they got sued. This year, when we get in regulations, it will be the 10th year. Okay? The Pheonix. You got the gold. You got even a trap looking symbol. This is the blockchain trapper here. I can tell you. I know a trap when I see a trap. Okay? That's a trap. Everybody beware. Be prepared. Okay? Into the Pheonix. Alright? Moving on. Back to these NFTs. Back to this NFT market right quick. See what's happening in this NFT. Shout out to Drift Exchange. Happy New Year. 2022. It's all hard. Okay? This blockchain trapper. F9_G. Twitter. I am G9, the blockchain trapper. Bringing you the latest heat. Alright? Somebody should have told Eminem. Okay? Because he just spent $500,000 on an NFT. The Joker game is live. Provide at least 0.1% liquidity in the XLM drift pairing at random snapshot dates to be entered to win a yield-bearing Joker NFT. This is on top of the bonus drift incentives for liquidity providers. This is a yield-bearing NFT. This thing is coming out on Stellar and on XLM, and you got double incentives. Somebody call Eminem and tell him he should. Hey, I ain't knocking him. You know what I'm saying? But it's about to get swept under the rug. This is what we looking for right here. This is what we looking for. These type of NFTs. Stuff that's really going to make a difference. Stuff that's got real utility and stuff like that. Anyway, on to this markets. Market cap, 2.213 trillion. Bitcoin dominance, 40.35%. Altcoin market cap, 1.342 trillion. Okay. Then we was catching the breakout last week for the XLM. We was waiting on it to recover. It had slowed down. They started capitulating. We was waiting on a breakout confirmation that it's going to turn back around. Okay, here's the day. All right. We got a bullish breakout. Okay. I said the last video, if it didn't break out here, it was probably going to fall below the support, to our lower support line. I said it hit around 0.259. It hit 0.26. Okay? Just about there. It was waiting on that confirmation to break out. Boom, with this candle right here, we made it right outside that wall. Okay? Outside the first trend. Okay? Trend is your friend until it bends. Okay? We still going. Bang. It hits to the next level of support. Breaks above it. Now I said we was waiting to cross this year-long descending trend line. Okay? We was waiting the whole year to cross this joint. And what we got? Bam! The breakout. It broke above it, bounced back to the line, fell right on the line, bubbled back up right off support. Okay? And we're off. Looking at the moving average EMA cross, we got the green on top of the red. That's bullish. Let's go to RSI. Hold up. Look at the RSI. Bullish. Is y'all eating off of this? Come on. Who eating with the blockchain trapper? Let's go. All right. Then I was showing y'all last week the breakout XRP. Okay, on the 21st. Okay, the 21st, the 22nd, the 25th, or whatever, before Christmas. Okay, we had that breakout. Okay, then we had capitulation. Was showing that the trend line was going back down now. We left from our array, our string, are going up. Our trend line's going up. We broke off of that. Bam, we're going down. I said if it don't break out this triangle, it's going to follow this trend line going down. May even hit lower support levels, retesting the areas that we broke out above. Okay? Sure enough, triangle looked like it was starting to break out. You know what I mean? We can find a new support line. Bam! This big candle right here on the 30-minute was an indicator. Something about to happen. Volatility starting to happen as soon as it broke out that triangle. Bow! Alright. What we looking like now? Today? Okay. What we looking like? And we have breakout. Breakout time. Alright. It fell from there. Bang. Didn't hold at this support. Fell from there. It tried to hold it, consolidated, came up, hit that trend line, fell back down, a lower level support. We consolidated in between these lines, okay? Then we've been waiting to see what's the reaction. Is it gonna break out? Here we go. It broke out of here. We put our trend lines above. We put a baseline. Once it hit that, crossed over, stay with it, and it fell back under the level of support. Once it fell under there, bang, I put a line right here, another baseline. Once it broke past this level, I started having to put a line up, put that baseline under there. So now we in between these ranges, and these ranges that we waiting to break above. So now we waiting to break above this line. But we've already broken off over this support line, which was trying to be resistance for a minute. Support and resistance. So now we done flipped it. We're breaking out, boom, off to the races. Look nice. Nice good candle for the hourly. Who's eating with the blockchain tracker? Huh? Let's look at that RSI. Whoa. Look at that. Okay. Once we up here on this red side, we on the this green line is where we buy at. This red line is where we sell at. And from here, in between here is in the middle. Between this black and this blue is in the middle. Okay? We waiting on to get in and get out somewhere in between here, just waiting or something. Looking for an indicator. Okay, when we get up here, we goes past here, we oversold. Okay, right now it's about to be getting oversold in a second. Okay, then we got down here, then it's overbought. See what I'm saying? So you want to buy in over here because it get oversold, it'll fall down. You'll buy back in. Okay, so we got the trend line there. Then I have another trend line that was gonna go down, and look, that's sure enough we did. So I bottomed out right there, so I put another line right there. Okay. Hey, I gotta get to these markets. It's time to eat. Okay? It's time to eat. Who eating with the blockchain trapper? Okay? I am not a financial advisor. Do not buy or sell anything because of anything I say or write. I'm just a man that's doing him. Just an enthusiast, just a researcher, just a fellow trader and entrepreneur. Okay? Follow along. If you like anything, if you find your value here today, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend. Okay? You ever feeling stuck or out of luck or just trapped? Okay? Holler at the blockchain trapper. I'm here to get you back on track. This is a trapped out world. Trap will be trapped. Okay? But until next time, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm out.